Pamoja. Welcome to Kitum Cave. Spectacular, remarkable calm, waterfalls. Even I can hear my echo. Hello! Hey, here we are. So this is a cave, historical cave, and the more in detail we'll get from our guide of the day, Mr. William Ruto. Here we are. Mwenye changamoto madhubuti. Karibuni sana. Hiyo ni Kenya. Hatuko mbali na Mount Elgon. We are not too very far from Mount Elgon. This is a footstep, beginning slope of footstep of Mount Elgon National Park. So such historical magic. How can we just pass by without coming and pay a visit and have the history from the right person? Please, here you are. Million viewers are watching you.
Okay, viewers, welcome. Okay, here is Kitum Cave. Kitum Cave means ceremony. Long time ago, with this community known as Elgon Masai, Parasamo was staying inside here. Reason one, they did not know how to build houses, so they were to shelter themselves here.
Which century? 18th century, 17th
Before
century?
colonial rule.
Before colonial rules. That's a bit quite long.
As you know, they were fighting another community, so it was because of insecurity. People were fighting another community, so it was hideout. Three, they also knew how, so tribes commanded. Then circumcision, that's same thing. Then the cave itself was formed by volcanic eruption about 50 million years ago. So, inside here, we have some of the animals. Animals normally come here during at night. These animals are elephants, buffaloes, waterbuck, bushbuck, and the other animals. As you can see, these are trooping of elephant.
Yeah, the dung.
So they normally go and lick that salt about 160 meters deep, where they go and lick that salt. It's a foraged rocks.
Salt?
Yes, this like magadi.
They just lick it.
Yes, they just lick to...
It's important to them, yeah.
To alert them to the body, because they say most of the vegetation of Mount Elgon does not have surgery. It is somehow tasteless. That's why they come and lick that soil to add that mineral to their body, to supplement. So you will see that during daytime, this elephant come during at night, while daytime it is time for tourists. At the same time, we have bats called popo.
Here we are.
Those popo they are night fly catchers, at the same time they are fruit eaters. So late in the evening they go out for feeding, and then morning hours they get in. While the animals late in the evening they get in, and then morning hours they go out. So they keep on exchanging. So inside there it is dark, but because they have a female elephant, it is called female matriarch, which is familiar to this place. So they lead the whole crew up to the cave and lick that sword. That is one reason, because inside is dark. Two, they walk in a chain way. Chain way, I mean, they walk while they are stretching their trunk. So they make one line from the entrance up to the end point. Then from the end point up to the entrance, without leaving one behind. Then from there also, they use trunk to cement the path, because it's a long way. So that's made through the trunk, and that's the female bacteria, which is used to this place. So they do that without leaving one behind. And if they are satisfied, then they leave. So as I said, maybe the community was staying inside here. As you see up here, these are food from the fire.
What?
Smoke. So people were to light fire here to scare these animals so that they will not interfere with their activities inside there. But the time they were removed by the colonial rule, so they paved the way to animals to come here during at night. But during daytime, tourists. So we have two chambers. Chamber one for the animals, where they go and lick that salt and then go out. Then chamber 2, where people were staying. In some activity shows that people are staying this side. So if you go, you may go around 500 meters round and go out. So I wish, if you are courageous enough, we cover chamber 1 for the animals, and then we move to chamber 2 where people were staying, and then we see what next.
If not, why not? If not, why
okay,
not?
sometimes people, they have that phobia of going in darkness and whatever. So
They have vertigo or phobia. Here we are.
Those bubbles here.
okay, those are water from the
Oh, they're dropping.
during that eruption. Some holes or cracks and some.
I hope you will not find a traffic jam with animal and nocturnal.
I think we made that article.
All right? Let us hit the trail.
Okay, let us use now light from our phone or a torch, guide us up to a certain point. Okay, chamber 1 is 160 meters where the animal stands. Then we go around where people are staying.
Through the same time.
And we are just going
Where people
one
used to
way.
stay.
That's
people
what
used to
Keep hit the road, hit the road, hit the road. Keep going. My name is Noor Ismail Nozzle, diesel engineer, filmmaker, storyteller. Join me as I share my passion for building trucks and traveling to the remotest part of northeastern Kenya.
I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos. Here, as you can see, this is a viewpoint of elephant, where you can easily see the elephant at the highest peak. And this is the beginning, the footstep of Mount Elgon. And here we are, as you can see, the scenery, you know, something really attractive, spectacular, flap. It's not flap, but just good. As you can see, we can't compare we can't compare it with the Queen Elizabeth National Park. Look at, I think we can't compare that much, because Queen Elizabeth is utterly in the national park, which is part of savannah grassland. But this, somehow, you may compare in terms of quietness. Oh, it's really remarkably calm. Weather, almost the same, because national park, I can see that side. And down are people living in here. And down there I've heard there's a electric wire fence which cannot allow the wild animal. But I think today the elephants are not around here. Maybe they are somewhere else. But it looks somehow open sky. And Kitale is not far from this point. It's there. You can even see it. Because this is the highest peak. You can see up there. Come with me. Let me show you Kitale, where we were yesterday. Kitale is there. There. That's Kitale. I think this is Western Pokot, that side of mountain. There's no really extra news here. There's not much, but I just want to compare it with which part of the national park. As on our channel, I think we can slightly compare with the Queen Elizabeth National Park viewpoint, but it's not so attractive, not flap, so spectacular, because of the houses are surrounding here. But so far, so good. Today I think we have a bad luck. We did not find much of big five, even single of it. But so far, so good. And now we are hitting the trail to go to the cave. I think also, I don't know whether it's true, I think Turkana, the meaning of Turkana is people who are living in the cave, under the cave, something like that. But we will find out, we'll investigate to find out the truth about it. Here we are. I think there's not much extra news. Let us hit the trail and head into the cave and look at it and see where, because they told us that elephants used to get salt under the cave. It's just true. I have no idea. Let us go and hit the trail and find out. With us, cut. Welcome to Kitoom Cave. Spectacular, remarkably calm, waterfalls. Even I can hear my echo. Hello? Hey, here we are. So this is a cave, historical cave, and the more in detail we'll get from our guide of the day, Mr. William Ruto. Here we are. Mwenye changamoto madhubuti. Karibuni sana. Hiyo ni Kenya. Hatuko mbali na Mount Elgon. We are not too very far from Mount Elgon. This is a footstep, beginning slope of footstep of Mount Elgon National Park. So such historical magic. How can we just pass by without coming and pay a visit and have the history from the right person? Please, here you are. Million viewers are watching you.
Okay, viewers, welcome. Okay, here is Kitoom Cave. Kitoom Cave means ceremony. Long time ago, where this community known as Elgon Masai Parasabo was staying inside. Reason one, they did not know how to build houses, so they were to shelter themselves here.
Which century? 18th century, 17th
Before
century?
colonial rule.
Before colonial rules. That's a bit quite long.
Yes. Two, as you know, they were fighting another community, so it was because of insecurity. People were fighting another community, so it was a hideout. Three, they also knew God, so Shrine was conducted from here. And then circumcision, dancing, singing was conducted in the same cave. Then the cave itself was formed by volcanic eruption about 15 million years ago, about the carbon carbonate. So inside here we have some of the animals. Animals normally come here during at night. These animals are the elephants, buffaloes, waterbuck, bushbuck, and other animals. As you can see, these are trooping of elephants.
Yeah, the dam.
Yeah. So they normally go and they make that salt about 160 meters deep. When you go and make that salt, it's a foraged rocks.
Salt.
Yes. This like magnetic.
They just lick it.
Yes, they just need to
It's important to them.
to add that member because they say most of the vegetation of Mount Elgon does not have salt. It's somehow tasty. That's why they come and make that salt to add that mineral to their
diet,
to supplement. So you will see that during daytime, this elephant come during at night, while daytime it is time for tours. At the same time, we have bats. We call it the popo training.
Here we are.
Those ones.
Those popo they are night fly catchers. At the same time, they are fruit pickers. So late in the evening, they go out for feeding, and then morning hours they get in. While the animals late in the evening they get in, and then morning hours they go out, so they keep on exchanging. So inside there, it is dark, but because they have a female elephant, which is called female matriarch, which is familiar to this place. So they lead the whole crew up to the cave and they lick that soul. That is one reason, because inside is dark. Two, they walk in a chain way. Chain way, I mean, they walk while they are stretching their trunk. So they make one line from the entrance up to the end point. Then from the end point up to the entrance. Without making one behind. Then from there also, they use trunk to cement the path. Because it's a long way. So that's made through the trunk. That's the female matriarch, which is used to this place. So they do that without making one behind. And if they are satisfied, then they leave. So as I said, maybe the committee was staying inside here. As you see up here, these are soot from the fire.
What?
Smoke. Soot. So people were to light fire here to scare these animals so that they will not interfere with their activities inside there. But the time they were removed by the colonial rule, so they paved the way to animals to come here at night. But during daytime, twice. So we have two chambers. Chamber one for the animals, where they go and lick that soul and then go out. Then chamber two, where people were staying. It is an activity so that people are staying this side. So if you go, you may go around 500 meters round and then from the entrance here and then you go out. So I wish if you are courageous enough, we cover chamber one for the animals and then we move to chamber two where people were staying and then we see what next.
If not, why not? If not, why
Okay,
not?
sometimes people they have that phobia of going in darkness and whatever. So
They have vertigo or phobia. Here we are.
Those bubbles there.
okay, those are water from the
Oh, they're dropping.
during that eruption samples or
Cracks.
cracks and something.
I hope you will not find the traffic jam with animal and nocturnal.
I think we made an application.
All right? Let us hit the trail.
Okay, let us use now light from our phone or a torch, guide us up to a certain point.
How long is it?
Okay, chapter 1 is 160 meters. And animal steps, then we go around where people are staying.
Through the same time.
We are just
Where
going
people
one
used to
way.
stay.
Yeah.
Where
That's
people
what
used to
Keep
stay.
hit the road, hit the road, hit the road.
Yeah,
Keep
nothing.
going. If you find them there at the wrong time and
welcome you, we go in and see these activities. We come back. Yes.
twende kazi.
So,
Okay,
this
I
place
have my phone here. Light.
is a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a very beautiful.
Don't worry. This easily we identify the fearful people.
Ya nini?
Oh, jafanya
Inabaki
kazi ya
hapa, it is
mining.
more safe. Unajua group haifai kwenda yote.
Asanta.
Inabaki moja atapeleka habari.
Someone is behind the camera. He's become also a cameraman behind the scene.
You must have one person to send 911 call.
This is really an historical, remarkable place. Amazing. Like never seen before. You can feel it even.
It has to be called, definitely.
Deep freezer.
Sorry.
I think even tonight we can camp here
Yeah, it's okay.
as we are chilling
It's
out.
the best place to come.
Yeah, we can hide it from them, no problem. There's a lot of stone
Yeah,
here.
the elephant comes and pulls you. Yeah, well said and done.
Okay, we are come to see you guys. We call them Popo. Okay. PH. We're in the cars.
So there was one Muzungu who left his gold here.
We have been told.
But up to now they have not found it.
They found it one,
Yeah.
but now the other has been
Jamaa. Ni cameraman yuko nyuma yako.
Kama bado omba Mungu yako mzuri.
You're not supposed to act a horror movie, eh?
Okay, as we proceed, you can see on the other side there's a skull of a young elephant who was trapped down there.
Where?
Yeah, down there. There was still a skull of a young elephant. You can see the feet.
Okay.
You know, elephant feed 50% on the grass, 50% on trees.
Yeah.
Okay, we proceed.
Here we are.
So,
Okay,
most
before going high, you can see some marks from the wall. You see
Tusks.
those marks. So these are elephant. You see their tusks.
Tusks doing it.
Okay, that's all.
grinding.
Yes. So initially, this site was just flat here. But because it is so solid, that's why they go and dig. That's so they are going to form artificial cave. That is steady. So if you come after some years, they see some changes on this side. Okay, as I told you, this is a volcanic eruption. Behind there is a fossilized or a remain of a tree.
They were buried here.
Yes, so it's a clear evidence of volcanicity.
Yeah.
It's a tree.
Okay. It was being trapped.
Trapped there.
All right.
Okay. After maybe leaking, they continue. There's water
Uko
here.
karibu na moto hii.
There's water down here.
Ama umpe ukidui. Mbona sauti inaenda kupotea potea.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Basi where this?
Just a minute.
Because otherwise the sound is not clear there, you know. So this is
Wanna pay? We can keep talking.
Okay, down there is water. This water is somehow salt because as you see on the wall, there's some marks. These marks are made done by the elephant. So the time they are leaking, some of the particles fall down there and then it is dissolved. And then those animals that cannot leak, especially the young animals like the bushback, they go and drink the water. So it's also salt. So they feel that mineral.
okay.
Instead of maybe leaking, they drink those water. Even the elephants themselves drink those water.
And
Okay, we proceed. Mineral. Okay, I don't think. Okay, what do you miss in your body?
Iron.
Iron. I don't know. Okay, on the other side, you can see here. These are cleavages of a tree. You see this one? This is a tree. So, as I said, it happened 50 million years ago. So we can say 15 million plus the age of this fossilized tree. So if it is 20 years,
15.3.
if it is 50, so it's like that. Okay, we proceed to the end point of the elephant. You can move. So we are following that the path of elephant. You can see tropical
Elephant path.
all
Because
over.
even a fresh one.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Get them, get them, get them, get them.
See? This, they don't want light.
That's what they think is a daytime vampires.
Yes. Popo. Yes.
Twende kazi.
Okay, here's the end point. Come and look at it. Then we see the difference.
End point?
End point of
Yeah, I
elephant.
think it's just the beginning now.
Okay, this is the end point
Because
of
the energy
elephant.
we prepare is too much.
From here we shall go where people were staying. You can see all over.
All right.
These are marks from that point up to this side. You see?
Yep. Oh, this is the end point, isn't
This
it?
is the end point of an elephant.
Elephant end point.
Yes.
So why is the mark? Because I know those elder people, the elderly people,
Yes.
they used to make some architect or something to leave their footstep or the mark step.
Okay, we shall get where people were staying.
Oh,
you see that they were
correct.
chiseling them.
This is the elephant path.
part.
Okay.
So
I
what
got
they
you.
made here,
Okay.
this side is somehow, the soil of this side is somehow soft because
Okay.
you can see they dig. Then if they come across a hard rock like this one, they leave this one protruding.
Nyam nyam to let's see.
You see? So what you can learn from elephant is that it is easy to identify if the elephant is right hand or left hand. The reason is that elephant.
Left hand.
most of the time, if you get one at the field, especially this of Mount Elgon, their task is not same. One might be shorter than the other one. So the shorter one, that means that's the hand of that elephant, because he uses a lot of time to scratch to get that soil from the
And
wall,
get it down and
then hollow to
So
the trunk.
short task
Is the hand of that elephant.
okay.
So,
They
how
told-
big is the left or right?
Yeah,
The
it
short
depends.
and longer.
As long as it is short, that's the hand of that elephant.
Yeah, that
Because-
means either it's left hand. If it is left, it uses most of the time left for eating.
For eating.
And then if it is
Right hand?
then
That one is short now because of leaking.
I can demonstrate.
Demonstrate. Show them.
So this is short. This one is long.
Not like this.
And then what you can learn from this elephant also is that most elephant of Mount Elgon, their task is not pointed. It's either blunt or broken because of this marks. That's it. And then, as I told you, how do they get here? One, they're nocturnal. They have those rods inside their eyes that can assist them to come up this side. Two, as I said, they walk in a chain way. They spray their trap by touching one another. And then the female one, which is a team leader from Million this place, lead the whole crew inside and out. And then the trunk also assist them to smell the path.
Cool.
So where we are is somehow dark. I don't know if we can do the practicals. We can switch off our
Light and look at it.
and then we see how dark it is.
You just stay tuned there.
But remember the road.
Remember the road of, yeah.
No, what time do they
Okay.
come here?
Hmm?
What time do they come here?
Even the viewers have, I showed it. It's really totally,
8 p.m.
utterly dark. Utterly dark.
You can't see
We have
anybody.
to leave before the traffic.
That's what I've been saying. The traffic jam, nocturnal, and human being.
So it is dark. So, but if you stay here
Yeah.
and they smell somebody, they will not come in because they don't want.
How are they going to smell when we are very far from the
So
entrance?
they will not come.
I saw. Oh, because of the fish.
So unless maybe you take photo from here, then we move to the.
The video only can.
Unless you have a
Kitum
question.
Cave.
Kitum Cave.
They come here to Nyam Nyam here.
This they are where they are. They become to make that how do you call that?
Task.
Task.
The task very strong and robustically to kangura ring. We call it kangura ring. I don't know if we're gonna name it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think kangura ring the salt. Even the human being, those local people used to eat it, isn't it?
We used to, especially when cooking some of the vegetables,
Local
and then maybe
dishes.
Smoked meat,
Yeah, can put on it.
soften.
Yeah. Can we get it in some supermarket or we have to grab it for ourselves from this point here?
Okay, nowadays now people have changed their lifestyle, so they don't buy, but they don't use this one now.
Oh, good. So-
My other question is,
Yes.
how did you know that these animals are led by the female animal?
If you see mostly at documentary, they do wiring up to this point, you will see that a female always lead. Then others come behind in the video. And then the last one, the male. Because the elephant has a memory of about 60 years.
Yeah, they're closer to humans. with their memory.
Memory, very
They're
strong.
powerful.
Make no mistake. Temper with one. Never forget
know
it.
you.
Even if you go back to Uganda one day, we'll follow you there. So be very attentive and careful. You've come. Oh yeah, correct. Now here we are. Fantastic, remarkably.
Mount Elgon of the
We are still continuing. This is not all. That's the beginning. The law of this cave here is not allowed.
They study.
Okay, study. Oh, you finished your senior 4 in Chipskunya. Okay.
Not here. They should have. They're still going.
We are still
Where
keep.
people are staying.
Dropped.
Waiting. These are made one. So unfortunately, it remained here.
I think that was not that's not what to call it, pitfall.
You see the horns? That's the head.
Is it short or longer? How many years do you think this happened?
So,
Particular this one.
because decomposing, I think.
Yeah. I think so.
Because it here is cold and you cannot see the smell.
Deep freezer.
Okay.
Going.
White news.
Ndugu we, mimi ningekuchukua kwetu huko.
Okay.
Uko hai.
Okay. So these birds normally migrate.
Sasa uliongea sana. Hataki sababu bugu yako iko na kelele.
Migrate to Europe. What? From Africa to Europe. Uganda is there and then come back. So they tour on June. Kama mwae kusikia.
Summer, winter. Fleet of 1,000 birds. Ngoja kwanza. Sasa wewe nani gaida? Si umesema hujatoka? Aha. Basi hiyo watu sijui shida gani. So wanaanza wanasema kama hujavuka bahari usianze kutukana mwenye twende. Si unaanza kutukana watu ndio hiyo. Ndio utapata dhambi. Hiyo ndio dhambi wewe unaanza kupata sasa. Twende.
This is the last point.
Sasa unataka inje ateremke?
Okay.
Alama iko wapi? Siku unaweza kutukana nani gaida? Ya kusafika kumbe. Nini kwa wapi? Hakuna dalili fulani ya kitu maliza kwanza kuongea.
Okay. This is the starting point of people who lived in this cave before colonial rule. So you can see this water.
Yeah.
When
Sita.
they were late that cannot fetch water from the Elgon, so they were fetch this one and then use it instead of cooking, whatever.
It's not salt.
Just so hot. Just go. Okay, you can come here. There's a bonfire here to show the evidence where people were
You need to evidence.
living.
You need to evidence.
You can come here.
Mimi nataka kitu kama hivi.
You can see.
How many years do you think this fire?
Before that colonial rule. So this was the bonfire of the old man. The old man was sleeping, so was the bed. By then, they were just using the skin, put it out, and then another one for covering himself. And then the woman with the children, they were to sleep beside. When
Pastor.
cooking was on this side. At least, I don't know. But this was their side. And then, wakati huo pia kitambo, these people, the old men, used to walk with stick.
Light. For motor.
Okay,
Stick for walking.
stick for walking.
On the light.
One.
Fire.
Fire, if they were to find together some of the small trees that they are sand, they bind together, then they put somewhere there. If there is something outside there, so you give those trees from this side out that point, all people are staying this side. Then, okay, you will see. Father was on the other side, mother was on the other side, woman. So that stick had some meaning. It a long stick. Maybe you want to talk to your mama, you straight out. Just start with the mother, the mama,
You can talk.
change their position.
In a big,
Come and discuss.
Discuss with this.
discuss the matters of, dialogue.
That's what they
Nala Papa Ligiaso.
Bana balala. Bana gaso.
Dara mimi na dara.
Kati ndio sio.
After children are sleeping, you take your stick and then you give the mama there. Then after maybe satisfaction.
So we call it satisfaction.
Now, where is that stick?
The remaining piece of it.
No, there's no piece of that.
So they went with it.
They went with it. Yeah. So people chose to stay here. Why? Because of the wind. The other side is open, so you get a lot of wind on the other side. But here is down a bit. Two, they're also checking about the earthquake. If the earthquake may occur, such a raised part may be affected. But this side you can see even the pillars up to down.
And if they blocked here.
Yes, so it's not easy to affect where people are staying. So where we are is somehow dark.
That's not the crocodile.
So let us also switch
Switch
off
off
our light and see how dark it is also.
Count 1, 2, 3.
Let's see. But the viewers, you just stick there. Don't move away. Zima na hii.
You see, it's completely dark.
Utterly dark.
Dark.
Papa Solola.
Mama Lila.
Who is that? Who was that? Bidibibamba.
Okay, let us now follow this side.
Let's follow.
Up to the
I think
end.
we're supposed to walk as the elephant.
Yes.
Follow
Oh,
chain.
mind your head, please.
Mind your chest and head.
Head.
Mbona peleka mimi kama nakuja kubaki huku? Jua kutembea. Kama unajua kupanda mlima,
Maji.
tunaweza ingia sio?
Ni maji.
Oh, told you. Mara hiyo.
Wewe fika tu. Lete report.
Hii waoga wawili. Ukiona watu baki nyuma hii.
Mgongo nakataa kuchikunja.
Okay.
Okay, finally we
There's
are
some
there.
leakage here.
Good. Kandahar.
Kitum. Beti imekwisha?
Imeisha?
Sahi sahi.
Okay.
Itatosha. Hapa light hapa natosha.
Okay.
Finally, we made it. Really remarkable place. Yeah, I've never experienced such cave, which are a bit deeper. And the more deeper we go in, we get in, the more darker it becomes. But finally, we made it. We have it. I think we have enjoyed it. There's no need to illustrate in detail again. You have understood in and out any magic. I think we didn't miss any magic to show the viewers. So it was a really remarkable, fantastic trip today. I think let us name it, let us rate it as fishing day. Wonderful. Because we can't rate a place fishing day without having such. So I think it was what we did during the other episode. But now I think this one qualified to be rated as a magic fishing day, a big fish. Samaki akabambi, we made it. We have anything to top up and to summarize the video?
Okay, maybe the viewers is that this cave is a must
To be
place
visited.
to visit because you cannot get any cave anywhere
In East Africa,
in
maybe.
Africa or even in the world because of the elephant going and taking them.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And maybe
You
the
got it.
evidence of people sharing the same cave, people are staying, animals are getting in. So you see that at least it
If-
has a special location.
If they can drop a comment now, as they are live, as to have nocturnal, night view of this crossing encounter with elephant, we could give them as well to prove that our statement, to back up it that it's true. Elephant used to pass. This is their main highway. We're gonna name it Elephant Highway to the cave, and we passed the part which is the southern part of it. NN Way. So NN Overland site. We got some room here. Maybe today we may camp here, but we'll not share with you that. That's going to be a secret cave. How do you see this? That's a good idea, great idea. We're going to have a camp here. But our biggest worry at night, are we safe with the uncles? They will come at their time. We not interfere their activities.
The schedule will be interrupted. Trust me when I tell you, trust me, only me.
Only today, trust me.
Trust me that inside there is dark and scary.
Utterly dark.
When you think of the elephants coming in for the yam up there, you know, start asking yourself, what if you meet them? It's natural. to
And
go
they have
like
the sensor
that.
here, the knuckle. They will see this guy. You know, they cannot even forget him for
But
6
it's a
years.
nice experience. We're very happy, very grateful.
It was worth to come here and make this a remarkable trip.
And as I say that, I'll take this story.
You hear of Mount Elgon Cave.
Mount Elgon Cave, Kitum
where
Cave.
Elephants come in, do their thing, they lick this thing.
Never and ever miss to put it on your bucket
We
list.
came in and
Otherwise,
we came out.
we'll talk about Mount Elgon without reaching here. You're gonna name it.
So I'm going to start this stone and tell you, gentlemen, our viewers, as an
They're not getting you.
and I am very much interested in understanding why the elephants love licking this cave. And we also need to know what kind of minerals are got in this cave. Then if they are add value to human
Stagglemite.
human system, we will advise you and will let you know what we will do.
Here's some history a little bit, and then you get it. Ciao, and let us meet on the next episode. Subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's see you tomorrow. Mwah. I think Waswahili wamesema chochote ilipokuwa na mwanzo hapakose kuwa na mwisho. Hapa ndio tunaweka nanga wa huyo msafara wa uvumbuzi na utalii ndani ya huu chuo kikuu cha Mount Elgon, yani ufugaji na historia za watu wa zama za kale. And here we are. We have just completed our exploration inside the not Queen Elizabeth. You know, they probably came from Uganda, but you can, okay, excuse me. Okay, this is Mount Elgon National Park. Game Reserve Park. National Park. Fantastic. And we have just summarized complete all the activities. I think 2 or 3 episodes you have saw. It was just busy amount talking about Mount Elgon National Park. And we've reached this point now of said goodbye, meet again to this historical, remarkable, epic exploration adventure of the day. And this is Mr. William Ruto. We'll tell the summary of this, the whole story now, summarized in the brief words.
Okay, thank you. Welcome. I can say bye to about Mount Elgon. Since we have been with you morning hours up to late in the evening, it shows that we have gone far up to such a moment, and we have seen a lot of sceneries through
Epic
the
sceneries.
national park. We have
Historical
entered
sites.
historical site. We have seen the caves. We have seen the panoramic view. We have gone even up to the moorland side and even at the summit. So if we have done that, what about you? You can also come and face Mount Elgon.
There's anything we have left behind?
Okay, maybe we have not gone through the waterfall because of time.
They will feed it now. You cannot complete by the 4 waterfalls.
Because it is a white thing, so we cannot make it within one day.
Because the time
Because of the
has
time.
cut us short. It's on our way,
And
our side, on our
I
side.
hope that maybe next time we have not done anything. Maybe we have not seen the birds
Yeah.
because we have itineraries of birds
Yeah,
and the favor. But what we have done for today,
yeah.
all the visitors who have come today, you will be ambassadors of Mount Elgon. Go and talk to your friends and then say welcome to Mount Elgon, and you will see a lot apart from what you have seen today from Mount Elgon. So what I will say, I wish you
Safe trip.
journey, safe and sound journey until we meet
Again,
next time.
me I will say we have nailed down. We have nailed down this expedition at Mount Elgon National Park, and we have enjoyed immensely.
Okay, without also forgetting our visitors who have been here. Okay, they have kept our park very clean.
Really, they have discipline. They have discipline.
That's a discipline that I have received from you.
Uh-huh.
Picked the litters from inside the park, and we have brought up to the gate. So I need.
Even this one, we cannot leave it here. Although it's not us, but for we have to keep it either to go with it or we'll give you to hand over to the safe place.
Safe place where we
Don't
cannot
keep it some. Don't later.
So what you have done, you have been cooperative, so much cooperative from the beginning up to this point.
Cooperative.
Thank you.
And I hope you guys, you will follow us. One day also come and visit Uganda.
If I get that invitation, I will join you one day.
We also have a beautiful country.
Thank
We'll
you.
do that. So guys,
Very impressive. We saw the zebras, the waterbucks, went to the summit of Mount Elgon, we went to the caves.
although not all animals today, it's not really about animals,
Black
but
and white monkey, blue monkey.
some weight. But I think you have got a lot of
Thick
it.
in the forest.
Are hiding themselves because I think they're not familiar to us, but others maybe. All right, I think that's it for today and tonight. Mr. Kaju, you have anything to add?
No, I'm just
Salvadora,
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria Obrigadora.
Thank you very much for
Good.
being such a gentleman, a man who loves expedition, who loves nature, who
Really
loves,
passionate about it.
Passionate,
Yeah.
and I the same to as in the house. Thank you very
In the
much
nyumba.
for being such a
All right.
good
So
partner.
here we are. Right now we are hitting the back to the Kitale town, where we're gonna have a little bit of
We're pulling down.
take it easy, chill out in Kitale. And early morning, we'll just hit the road. So
5:30.
be with us.
Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed the video, and drop your comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell button. And here we are. This is NN Intercontinental Adventure.
Yeah. Sign out.
Sign out. Boop.
Yeah, I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos.